I'll just quickly say something. Just in regards to the poison, quickly.
Yeah, I was going to respond to that.
Sorry, just in regards to the poison, as I said, that isn't in the earliest manuscript, so the poison doesn't work, and also in regards to... But even if it was in the earliest manuscripts... Okay, you can respond.
I would love to know, I would love to know actually, if you can drink that poison. Because remember guys, what Muhammad says? Just drink the poison, get a date, it should help you.
That's right, it says that.
Okay? Date? Can someone go and get a date? And also can someone check if it is poison or not?
Right, I think we should leave that there. I don't know what the public liability is like here, Hamza.
I'm feeling a bit...
Right.
So of course someone needs to question if that is poison or some deception is going there or not. Sure we will check that.
Right, thank you. We've just got a time as well. We'll get that checked in the labs shortly. Got a question down here, and then we're rapidly moving to close now. I can see a few more hands. We'll try to get through as many as we can. I'm going to limit the responses to 2 minutes now, because we want to finish just around 9 o'clock. Got a question here.
Okay, the Sheikh was going to prove that he is the real lover of Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him.
Okay, with regard to what Caleb said, that it was an honor for people to die for the sake of someone else in previous cultures and it's no longer honorable, then that would mean you should accept the marriage of Aisha radiallahu anha, because it was a cultural accepted fact at that time and it's not accepted anymore. Additional to that, you mentioned a few more points, but I cannot remember them. Maybe the poison is taking its effect. I said...
Is it real?
That you see, it's a matter of faith. This is a matter of faith. Yeah.
So you're saying it's real?
Basically, we had Ali there for you to cure and poison to drink. Now you said that you do not believe those verses are a part of the Bible. Yes? So you're telling us to believe in a Bible which has verses that you yourself do not believe in. Meaning, what kind of religion is this, that one group of people are saying these are verses from God and another group of Christians are saying that these are not verses from God? This is a contradiction. So the Quran says, do you believe in some of the book and reject some of the book? So this is a big problem for Muslims, because we accept all the Quran from beginning to end, but you have just acknowledged that this aspect is not from the Bible. So to conclude, the reason why a person should be a Muslim is because in Islam we have true belief in a monotheistic, transcendent God, and which is a perfect, absolute being. And if anyone believes in a human being, a man God, a demigod, they are in fact falling into paganism